Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to create this super gorgeous look. It's very easy, it's soft. I have done this on my Instagram live. A lot of people were asking about this look, and also I just love this look. This is my favorite, and this eye look I can wear it every single day. I love it so much, and it is very easy to create. I would definitely request and recommend you to try this look and tag me on Instagram so that I can, go through your looks. And yeah, if you guys are interested how to create this gorgeous look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting with the moisturizer. I'm using the Nutriderm Vitamin E lotion. I absolutely love this as it makes my skin much more hydrated and moisturized, and you can use any kind of moisturizer you want. I'm skipping primer. I'm directly going with the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade is 310, but I'm also going to mix it with my strobe cream from MAC. The shade I'm using is Pink Light. I'm going to apply this all over my face using a makeup sponge. For my concealer, I'm using my favorite concealer. This is the Sugar Magic Wand concealer. The shade I use is number 30. I'm going to apply this under my eyes, little bit on my nose, forehead and chin, and I'm going to blend it with a makeup sponge. Now, you can definitely skip concealers if you want. It's totally up to you. The base is definitely, it's up to you. Now to set my concealer areas, I'm going to use this MAC powder foundation. The shade I'm using is NC40. Yes, NC40 is my shade. Moving on to my contour, blush and highlight, I'm going to use this Faces Canada face palette. I am going to mention all the details down in the description box below. The product links will be down below with their names, so definitely do check it out. Apply the blush on my cheeks, as well as I'm going to apply it on my nose. It looks very cute. Before applying the highlighter, I'm going to set my face using the makeup setting spray by Faces Canada. While my makeup setting spray was drying, I did my brows off camera, and I'm going to now apply the highlighter on the highest points of my face. And now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, and for that I'm using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. So first I'm going to mix these two shades. The only two shades I'm going to use today is these two. I'm going to apply this on my eyelid with a shader brush, and then I'm going to blend it really nicely on my crease with the help of a very nice fluffy blending brush. I'm going to also apply the same shades on my lower lash line and blend it really nicely. So now I'm going to take the Forever 52 glitter eyeshadow in the shade number 54. I'm going to take it on my hand and apply this with my finger. I'm not going directly because I don't want the glitter to be very popping. I just want it to reflect the light, and that's it. And it looks so beautiful. I'm going to finish off the eye look with some mascara, and here I'm using the Sugar mascara. I'm also going to apply the same highlighter just on my inner corners and also on my brow bone. Lastly, for my lipstick, I'm using the NY Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade number 13. Alright, this is the finished look. I know it was very easy. If you want, you can skip the base. You can just do the eye makeup, put on some lipstick, little bit of highlighter for that glow, and you're done, you guys. Now, I know you have noticed I don't have one fingernail. Nail टूटना ठीक नहीं है, फिर भी ये वाला nail टूटना is like anyway, सच में टूटा था, मान लो. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys. I am going to mention all the product details down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all.